Hello and welcome to Algebra 2 CST release question number 57. It says, which is the first incorrect step in simplifying log base 4 of 4 over 64? And so here's the first step, here's the second, here's the third. Maybe each step is correct, or maybe it's one of these three steps. Let's go back to number 53 briefly and talk about those laws of logarithms I had written down there. So here's number 53. The laws of logarithms, we're using something here, it looks like we're using number 2. And so we have division. We had our base as 4, and we had our m as 4 over 64. We can subtract these two values, keep the same base. Numerator goes here, denominator goes there. So let's apply that to this problem here. And so we have, this looks like the correct first step. We have log base 4 of 4 over 64 is log base 4 over log base 4 of 4 minus log base 4 of 64. So is that an incorrect step? No, I'd say that's totally good. That's good to go. But this is the same thing as saying you have 4 to some unknown power equals 4. What is that unknown power right there? Well, that is 1. It's that value right here. And so x equals 1. That looks good to go. Now, how about this one? So minus, and then this is saying, and what you really have here is saying that you have 4 to some unknown power. I'll call it y this time instead, is equal to 64. Now is 4 to the 16th power equal to 64? That's what this is saying. No, that's not true. This should actually be 4 to the what power? 4 to the second power would be 16, 4 to the third power would be 64. So y, this should be right there a 3. This should be a 3 instead of a 16, and so that would make this equal to negative 2. But what was the first incorrect step? The first incorrect step was step 2. So for number 57, choice B is the correct choice.